I just got this for my birthday. On the 14th. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a tin loader. Pretty hard. I'll show you this because it's pretty cool. It does pound the shotgun. It's pretty hard to show you a good view of it, but the reason why I'm showing it to you because cousins want to play Nerf War, but they're too busy on their phones. So, sorry that the camera's shaking, but let's go. Sorry, camera floated. Sorry, but please like and subscribe my cousin got the channel Christopher 09 Chris. Stuff. Yeah, it's a pretty cool gun. It got range. I don't know if I shot that. I'm sorry. Holding the camera, which is my tablet. Cock this, hold on. Oh, maybe I can get another shot. It's in the... So let's see. Get it. Come on. Come on. Okay, one more try, guys. I just put my finger around the camera. One more try. Oh, that sucked. It's brand new. Also got in the game Minecraft too. Oh, that's sad. Well, please hit like and subscribe. And this has been in Gaming 981. Subscribe, hit like, write, comment down below if I should have Nerf War with all three of my cousins. Bye. Fun. Fight too.